Hey guys, I wanted to share this quick video with you guys right after I did the most recent update on my DJI Mavic Mini. I received the ESC errors. I did the update through the phone, then I flew the drone and it was giving me the errors on the two rear motors. It advised me to go ahead and change the propellers, which I did. I didn't fix the problem. It was actually alternating between the two ESC on the rear. I went ahead and got in touch with DJI, which advised me to do a firmware refresh update through the computer, which I did. It actually fixed the problem completely, and as a result, the error is completely fixed. The drone seems to be stronger now. It seems to have more stability after the firmware update or refresh through the computer. If you guys are dealing or experiencing similar issues, do the update through the computer, through the phone, through the computer, connecting your Mavic Mini via a cable to your computer, and it will apparently fix the problem. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe. And if I find any other useful tips, I will go ahead and share with you guys. Thank you.